Hello everyone. Sometimes these problems will happen with anyone. Means here the screen is blank. When you are opening the any application software and you are opening the any Word file or Excel file or any file, then display is like this display. So how to change the setting? How to make the background in white color? So for this, you need to go to the background settings. So search the web and Windows here, and here you need to go in a settings and you need to use the settings option. So just click here first, just click here background, and here background settings will be here. So just click on that background setting. So you will get this type of a display. Then here inside the background, see, scroll down and check here is no more options. So go to the colors. In colors, here automatically pick an accent color from my background. Okay, this option is off. Then from where to change the color, where to change that black color. So just click on a high contrast setting. Here, high contrast, black is set. So just click on a none. Okay, just click on a none. Click on a apply and wait for a minute. So automatically it will apply the setting, and now check for the different application software. You can open the file, any file, and you can check for the same. Open this one file and again we'll check the background color is black or white. Now all things are going okay. Just close it. If you want to minimize it, you can minimize it, go back, and again you can check for the same. Close this window. See, now your desktop is also in original color. So in this way, by using the background, see, in a search box type the background, then background setting, then colors, then high contrast settings, and then change the color to the none and apply it. Okay, thank you.